everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. You guys, it is breakfast time and that is my most favorite meal of the day. I love breakfast. Today I'm going to be making my version of a McGriddle. So this is an imitation, but my imitation, in my opinion, tastes better than the real deal, okay? So you can use the store-bought pancake mix to do this if you want, but that's not what we're doing today, honey. We're making some homemade buttermilk pancakes for our McGriddles. And you guys, it's so quick and so easy to do. First, we're going to need some all-purpose flour. You're going to need baking soda and baking powder. You will need just a little bit of salt. I have 1 egg here. We're going to use a little melted butter. You can't have buttermilk pancakes without buttermilk, you guys. And I'll be using a little bit of this Mrs. Butterworth's. And let's see, we're going to do a little bit of vanilla, pure vanilla extract in it. And I'm going to do I'm going to do a sausage and a bacon. And when I do the sausage, I like to use these sausages that are fully cooked. I get these from Walmart. This is the maple flavored. And I just heat these up in the oven. So I have my sausages already done. And then I've already have some oven cooked bacon right here. Okay? So let's start by getting all this mixed up, and you guys will see how quick you can mix up your own homemade buttermilk pancakes. Oh, did I say sugar? Honey, can't forget the sugar. Sugar. If you want to do this recipe, you can leave out the sugar if you don't want the sugar, but honey, we need the sugar. So let's get this mixed up. I want you to see how quick and easy this is going to be. I have my bowl I'm going to mix everything in. I have my old school sifter because I want to sift these dry ingredients, okay? So first, we're going to start with 1 1/4 cup of flour. And you guys, I will put this recipe in the description box. It's 1 1/4 cup of flour, and to that we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, so here's my teaspoon of baking powder. Over here so you guys can see. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to do 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to do about 1/4 cup of sugar. mix this up a little bit. And now we're just going to run it through the sifter. And these are our dry ingredients. Okay. Okay. And that's everything dry. Now to that we're going to add my buttermilk here. 1 1/4 cup buttermilk. We're going to add 1 egg. And you guys, a lot of times I like to just do my eggs separately and then add it just in case there's something wrong with the egg. Can't get it out once you get it in there. Now we're going to do our vanilla extract. And our melted butter. Okay, so that's it. And then we're going to get this mixed up. Now what you do not want to do is over mix this. I've heard people say you mix it until it's smooth. No, you do not. You just want to make sure everything is incorporated. Make sure you can't see any more of the dry ingredients. And you see I'm trying to kind of scrape around the side and get up under there. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit more milk. So now that I have everything incorporated, I'm going to stop. And if you'll see, there's still lumps in the batter, and it's okay. That's the key to the light, fluffy pancakes, is not to over mix it. So I never try to get my batter smooth. And I usually try to take my spatula and just try to kind of shape them a little bit if it starts, you know, running more to one side. Which is really not that serious, but if you want that perfectly round pancake. And it's okay that they are kind of ran together in the middle. That's going to be real easy to separate. So we're going to let those cook kind of slow. And I'm just kind of watching the top as it gets the bubbles, and the bubbles start popping on the top of the pancakes. That lets you know that you're just about ready to turn them. And then if all else fails, just kind of lift them up on one side and just take a peep and see if they're brown enough, in which they are. So we're just ready to flip. Hey baby, you getting ready to leave?
Love you.
Yeah, my middle baby is here. I love you too, baby. You have a safe flight. I love you.
Love you too.
Did you get something? Did you get anything on cooking? Did you have dessert or something? Did you get anything you wrote the other day? I know I was wide open. How you gonna come all the way to North Carolina and not get nothing? You want some piece of cake, some pie, some something, honey.
Eat something.
Some cake or some pie?
Can I take a blueberry muffin?
You sure can. You want to take 1, 2, 3, 4, take a couple of them. How about that?
I can't take it on the plane.
Can you take it on the plane?
No.
Well, take 2 of them.
Can't take it on the plane. No, I'll just stick with one.
You sure, baby? You can take 2.
It's all right.
Please take 2. Your mama been eating some. I love you. Please take 2. Please.
I'll take 2.
Thank you. Okay, so these are done. So we're just going to take them out of the pan. And when I take them out, I'm going to flip them over on this side and then show you.
Love you, Mom.
I love you too, baby. Let me pause this so I can go get me a good hug. And then this is what I do next. I kind of poke a few little holes. I don't go all the way through the pancake, but just try to kind of poke a few little holes, because what I do is just gently pour my syrup on top. I don't put my syrup in my batter. And then just pour my syrup on top. I had heated it up too for just a few minutes. And that's how I do to get my syrup in my homemade McGriddle. And as that sits a few minutes, it's going to kind of soak in that pancake. Okay, so I'll let that sit there, and then I'll cook my eggs and then add my eggs and my cheese to the top of it. You guys, that was our middle son visiting us from Florida. So he was getting ready to leave, go catch his flight. I had to stop and get me some sugar. Okay, so now we're just cooking the eggs. And you guys can look at these pancakes and tell that the syrup has soaked in the pancakes, but not come through on the other side. Y'all already know who has showed up in the kitchen since it's, about time to eat.
Yeah, I come here to help. How can I help? Have you ever made these before?
You know I have made these before.
Right. So I'm just saying, if you have made them before,
I just haven't made them in a long time.
I just want to know, I want to officially taste them to find out if you made them.
I made them more when the kids were in school. Now we empty nesters.
Yeah, so this right now is for the one for the husband that's out, that's not at work today. And do they taste the same as the kids in school?
You want yours? You want the bacon one or the sausage?
Ooh. Can I have two? Okay, just give me the bacon. Sausage. Give me a sausage.
Oh,
it don't even matter. Give me the one that's good.
It really don't. It really don't. You know, I mean
both of them.
How about I just give you one I want you to have? How about that?
How about that? I just want the one that I want the one that the pig died in.
The one that what?
The one that the pig died.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. These look good. Man, I'm so happy. Okay.
That's my. Why you got to be standing back there grinning?
Look, girl, that's good.
This is the sausage, egg, and cheese. And this is the bacon, egg, and cheese. So these are my homemade McGriddles.
And let me tell you something, McDonald's got some McLittles. Those are McBigs. Thank you, Lord. God is good all the time.
Sir, both of those are not for you.
I thought they was.
You thought like lit, as my grandma used to say. I ain't gonna say what lit thought. You thought like lit. I think I need to taste both of them. It's been a while.
Yeah, you taste both of them, and then let me taste both of them.
So this is the bacon.
Let me see.
You can taste it at the same time.
It tastes like bacon. Okay. God, you look like a dinosaur the way you bit that.
He calls me a dinosaur. Just keep on.
I ain't call you a dinosaur.
I got the dinosaur.
I ain't call you a dinosaur.
Look at that, y'all. And y'all look. Y'all see that syrup in there? Look right there. Y'all see that syrup? Y'all want a bite? You want some?
Get them bite. Let me taste it for you. I'm going to tell y'all if y'all tasting the right thing.
I always still be needing more syrup, though.
God, you're like a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Y'all look at that syrup. Wait a minute.
No, really, that's good.
Look right there. Y'all see that syrup? See how you still get that syrup in there? That's good.
Really good. Really, it is.
Okay.
So I can have these.
But you guys, thank you guys so much for watching.
Push the nosy.
Push the noses. Subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. You guys, we are so close to 5,000 subscribers. So close. So let's stop.
Shake something.
Ring the bell. Shake the bell. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye. Say bye. Bye, y'all. Be special.